Ji.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Gaurav. Come on camera. Saili, good afternoon. Anshika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rajiv.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Anuj. Nice to see you all on camera. Bhairavi, Aditya, Pranali, Himanshu, please everybody.
Actually, I'm traveling. That's why I cannot switch on my camera.
Okay. Bhairavi, stay on camera. Okay. Sushan, just check with everybody. No, where is everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
15 participants. Yeah. So, how are your exams?
Ma'am, good.
Good.
Normal, ma'am.
Ma'am, not good.
Not good. Why? What happened, Gaurav?
Ma'am, पढ़ाई नहीं किया. इसका after effect.
He's lying, ma'am.
Okay, is it
I
topper?
am like, no, ma'am. The topper is Sushant Tambi. पूरा मैम सुशांत ने पूरा IBS 21 में टॉप किया है. हमारा जो बैच है उसमें टॉप किया है.
Ma'am, it is a lie, ma'am.
मैम वो जब कॉलेज घुसा आज जैसे फूलों का बारिश हो रहा था. लोग वे वेटिंग फॉर हिम.
कॉलेज में कौन कौन है अभी? सुशांत है.
Ma'am, me.
अनु, तुम भी कॉलेज में? मुझे दिख रहा है पीछे क्लास. हाँ, राजीव, सुशांत. Very nice. Okay. So for me, everybody is a topper. Actually, all of you have your unique strengths, skills, and your career craft, which makes you the topper of your life. Yeah. Astha, Aditya, please come on camera. Yesha, Chirian. So I wanted to talk about that movie presentation, but that we will do once I have more people in. Another thing that I wanted to start today is something which is more of an individual exercise, which we do in the group, of course, for which I need everybody on camera all the times. Sushant, एक photo ले लो पहले सबका, जब camera सब लोग on करो, and then after 10 minutes ना, Sushant, I want you to make a list. 2 p.m. At 2 p.m. you start making a list of people who are not on camera.
Okay, ma'am.
और सब लोग हाँ अभी कैमरा पे आ जाओ, और अभी सबका कैमरा, जिसका भी कैमरा ऑन है वो कैप्चर करना है हमको, तो प्लीज बी ऑन कैमरा सो वी कैन कैप्चर यू ऑन फोटो. सुशांत इज टेकिंग अ पिक्चर. विहांग, प्रणाली के, आकृति, मैथ्यू, कम ऑन कैमरा प्लीज.
Ma'am, can you please give me 15 minutes? Please, ma'am.
15 minutes I've already given to everybody. उसके बाद लिस्ट बनाने वाला है सुशांत. अभी 2 मिनट के लिए आ जाओ ताकि हम लोग थोड़ा कैमरा फोटो के ले ले.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
पता चले कौन कौन है अभी से क्लास में. यशा, प्रतीक, राजवी, सुशांत 1 मिनट में फोटो लेने वाला है.
Ma'am, wait 2 minutes, ma'am. I have to wear t-shirt, ma'am.
हाँ, जीत, आकृति, मैथ्यू, भैरवी. ये एकदम स्टार्टिंग में ना क्लास ज्वाइन होने में, जब क्लास में एक्चुअल में होते हो ना, वैसा वाला पिक्चर कैप्चर करना है. कौन है वो वैसा रेडी व्हेन दे एंटर द क्लास, वरना कौन है जो टी शर्ट बाद में पहनने वाला है, वो सब भी अलग अलग है ना, सो पता चलता है. अभिजीत, किन्नरी, साक्षी, वेटिंग 1 more minute. 150 को सुशांत टेक द पिक्चर.
Yes, ma'am.
So till then all of you and stay on camera, because ये एक्सरसाइज में बार बार बीच में भी करने वाली हूँ, तो कैमरा पे सब थ्रू आउट चाहिए, बीच बीच में चले मत जाओ. कंसिडर एज इफ ये सच में क्लासेस, IBS में क्लास में हो आप लोग, ऐसा ही सोचो. वहां से क्या तुम्हारा फोटो वीडियो बंद कर सकते हो क्या क्लास में बैठ के? नहीं ना, तो वैसा ही अज्यूम करो that you are in class at IBS. Okay. Gamini, Apurva, Bhairavi, all of you. One last time I'm telling everybody, come on camera, because we want to capture this moment कि भाई क्लास शुरू होता है, within 5 minutes में कौन कैमरा रेडी है, कौन क्लास रेडी है एक्चुअली. तो
I'm already on camera.
ओके.
Projector on कर.
रवि, तो दूसरा भैरवी भी है कोई क्या क्लास में?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there's a network issue.
अच्छा, you did two Bhairavis are there in, मतलब two logins are there for you. हाँ, ठीक है. Saksham, Rishabh, Shetty, Sakshi, Kinnari. Okay, 150. Sushant, first please take the picture. These are all my
Good-
class
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sakshi this side. Ma'am, actually, I'm traveling.
रियल क्लास में जब ट्रैवल करोगे तो एब्सेंट लगता है ना, क्योंकि आईबीएस पे पवाई पे तो नहीं आ पाओगे, करेक्ट?
Taken, ma'am.
चिकन दोनों ना, दोनों स्क्रीन ना.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके ग्रेट. तो ऐसे ही रहो बिकॉज ये क्लास जैसा लगता है, फील्स लाइक वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. हाँ, सो स्टे लाइक दिस ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड सुशांत इज ऑल्सो कीपिंग द लिस्ट. 2 PM के बाद सुशांत मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल जो लोग कैमरा से चले जाते हैं ऐसे शक्ल दिखा के, मुंह दिखाई करके जो चले जाते हैं ना, उनको भी कैप्चर कर. ठीक है? हाँ. Okay, now I was talking about something. First of all, yes, we have good number of people in already. First of all, जो अपना presentation है, you all of you have given me group wise one topic, right? One movie name you have given, correct? So now उसका presentation, I'll give you the date next class. ठीक है? उसका क्या करना है? What you need to do, I'll give you a broad idea. So basically, there will be two parts to it. One would be primary research and one would be secondary research. What is the difference, anybody? What is the difference between primary research and secondary research?
Primary research
Yeah,
is
go ahead.
something we do on our own, and secondary research is something we can find on the internet on already published articles or anything.
Correct. So this movie is definitely there. It's something that has been been, and you all have. I mean, people have watched it, and there are reviews about it. There is an on Wikipedia and on IMDb and all, the plot and stories and cast and all information is available there. Okay. So the secondary research, why it is important, and in sequence, दो primary secondary एक के बाद एक आता है, पहले primary आता है, फिर secondary. But then actually when you do research, you do secondary research first to get an understanding what is it that is there in the market already. And then you do primary research. So your secondary research is what you are going to do is you are going to tell us. So your presentation will be divided into two parts. The first part will be secondary research, where you need to talk about that movie, like all the specifics of it, because you need to assume that जो class में लोग हैं उन्होंने movie नहीं देखा है. There could be a few people who must have watched that movie, but there would be at least 10 people who would have not watched it. So we have to assume that nobody has watched it. So you need to give a context. You need to set the context, isn't it? So you need to tell us what is the movie about, which are the main characters, what is the plot. Okay. You can use video clips and pictures also in your presentation to kind of make it more interesting and people will understand better. Certain dialogues, certain scenes, if they are kind of like, popular enough, or I would say just they make some mark, उनको दिखाओ यहाँ पे. So लोगों को पहले एक image बननी चाहिए कि what is this movie about, and not only focus on the characters and actors, but in movie making, a lot of behind the scenes work happens. So I want you to focus on that also, that kya mehnat laga hai, what are the efforts which have gone into making this movie. So we don't want to just say that this is a Shah Rukh Khan movie. Shah Rukh Khan definitely is the actor, but behind Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol and all, there is a team that works in different things who make it happen. So I want you to even read about it, research about it, and bring those things also here. Okay, so yeah, this is like for me, if I have not watched a movie, हमने मुझे समझाना है कि what is this movie actually, giving some pictures and video clipping so that I also have a visual idea of it. I'm not creating any image of fairy tale kingdom in my head. आपने हमको physically उसका कुछ दिखाना है, तो it has to be pictures or videos or something. ठीक है? It is first part. Second part is more important, which is the primary research. Because it is primary, you are not copying or pasting it from somewhere. You are yourself doing the analysis. So your analysis about the movie, around the message, कि ये movie क्या message दे रहा है, right? You all have selected one movie which is giving the message. So that is just one angle to it, that what message at broad level बट एक्चुअली उसमें और ज्यादा न्यूएंसेस लेके आओ. जैसे यू कैन इवन कंपेयर एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट दैट मूवी विद समथिंग सिमिलर. जैसे कोई बॉलीवुड का मूवी हो गया, हॉलीवुड के मूवी के साथ कंपेयर किया कि ये इसके जैसा है, इसमें ये डिफरेंसेस है. सेम मैसेज पे एक मूवी बना है दूसरा. You can compare, you can contrast, you can compare Indian movies also. Again, Hindi movies को एक दूसरे के साथ compare किया. Older movie, नया movie. Something, some similarity is there, some contrast is there. Yeah. Also, other than that, the concept of IBs and RBs. किसको याद है? We had done the songs for that. What is IB and
Rational belief and irrational.
Lovely, Pallav. So, what is the difference between rational belief and irrational belief?
Rational is more realistic and towards the positive side.
Right,
Like what is really going to happen or is happened in the past, like that.
right. Yes. And what is irrational belief? And somebody else now give me some example also. The difference between
Something negative that happens, or something that gives a negative impact on a person, or gives the person a belief of something that shouldn't happen in the real life.
Glorifies the situation.
glorify the situation or kind of exaggerate, you're saying?
Exaggerates. Yes, ma'am.
Exaggerate through what? Exaggerates through that must. You remember that must, that 100% black and white wala belief is IB, irrational belief. That the world must always be fair to me. Must. I must always be perfect. Okay, I must always be perfect. It's an irrational belief because it includes must in it, and must है मतलब black and white हो जाता है. मतलब 100% I must be always be perfect. मतलब मेरे अगर एक presentation भी है अभी, तो presentation के दौरान I should not make even a single small mistake. Now I am not. It doesn't say that I should. मतलब irrational belief and rational belief में difference ये है कि rational belief doesn't say that I should always make mistake. उसका उल्टा नहीं है वो. Rational belief क्या बोलता है? Yes, I am an imperfect individual. I make mistakes. I don't deliberately. I prefer to not make mistakes. But I am an imperfect individual, human being. So I may make mistakes. And I will learn from those mistakes. So I allow myself to make mistakes. In irrational approach, what happens? I am living in a black and white world. कि मुझे एक भी मिस्टेक नहीं करना है. उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? IB करने से तकलीफ क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? Anybody remembers any belief that we did from the songs also?
Ma'am, like if someone is presenting and he or she has thought like I shouldn't make any mistakes, and then he or she does, then they get nervous and they feel like their presentation has gone bad.
Correct, very true. Even an anticipation, मतलब क्योंकि मैंने इतना प्रेशर डाला हुआ है कि I must not make a mistake. So even before my presentation starts, it is affecting me. I am so nervous because I'm thinking that I must not make a mistake. So I'm thinking अगर मेरे से एक छोटा सा भी mistake हो गया, it is end of the world. See, what does this must do to you? What does this IB do to you? It puts you in the survival mode. Survival mode क्या होता है? I must have oxygen to live. I must eat. I must have water to survive. ये survival चीजों के लिए must होता है कि भाई मुझे नहीं मिला तो मैं मर जाऊं. लेकिन मुझे अगर presentation में perfect नहीं हुआ तो मैं मर जाऊंगा, ऐसा reality नहीं होता है. But हम जो IBs अगर पकड़ लेते हैं तो IBs tell you what? IBs make you believe that I must be perfect or else it is a survival crisis. सर्वाइवल क्राइसिस हो जाता है मतलब हम सर्वाइवल मोड में चले जाते हैं, फाइट एंड फ्लाइट. योर एपेटाइल ब्रेन गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड. तो मेरा सर्वाइवल क्राइसिस कब बिगिन हो गया? इवन बिफोर स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द प्रेजेंटेशन. मुझे लगा मेरे से एक भी मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए और मिस्टेक हो जाएगा तो सर्वाइवल क्राइसिस हो गया. तो ब्रेन कहाँ चला गया? फाइट एंड फ्लाइट मोड में. एंड फ्लाइट एंड फाइट मोड में पुट्स यू इन अ वे जहां आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड बंद हो जाता है. And you want to either shun away the presentation, नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता ये. Yeah, you will go blank. You will not be able to speak properly. जो कर सकते हो उतना भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. Right? So sir, this IBs must 100% black and white वाला जो beliefs है, those are IBs and RBs. And instead, what does it say? instead of that must, RB क्या बोलता है? I prefer to not make any mistakes. I prefer to do a very good presentation. However, I understand that I am an imperfect individual and I live in an imperfect world of uncertainty. So in the course of action, it may so happen that I may make mistake, not deliberately. I don't take it as an excuse. RBD is not about taking excuse कि हाँ चलो यार allowed करती हूँ mistake to mistake पे mistake करते जाओ. No, I prefer not to make mistakes, but if I make mistake, I am not going to kind of hate myself for it. Or it's not a survival crisis. I can still live. I can still learn from it and make my life better. RB says that. Or we had done this exercise where we had identified some songs, isn't it? Which depicted RBs and IBs, correct? So again, this is a movie. आपका जो presentation है वो movie है. So movie will give you a lot of food for these IBs and RBs. So I want you all to have a very important section in your presentation, जिसमें you talk about that how does this movie support RB और IB. ये movie अगर एक बच्चे ने देखा, ये scene देख लिया, ये गाना सुन लिया, और अगर वो उस गाने को बहुत सीरियसली ले ले लाइफ में और उसी पे अटक जाए, तो वो आरबी डेवलप करेगा कि आरबी डेवलप करेगा, वो एंगल से आप एनालिसिस करो. दोनों हो सकता है, बिकॉज सी वेयर डू यू पिक अप दीज आईबीज एंड आरबीज from the environment. It is either your parents, it is either your neighbors, it's your society you live in, it is a school you go to, you movies you watch, the programs you watch, वहीं से आप pick up करते हो ना. Something as simple as language also you pick up from there. तो उसी तरह से आपका mind भी उधर से beliefs pick up करेगा. Not to say that others are responsible for your beliefs. Are others responsible for your beliefs? No, they can. No, they can contribute. My people, my friends can say कि तुम ऐसा believe करो. वो मुझे वो force भी कर सकते हैं. But I am the one who makes the choice at the end of the day. Howsoever young I was, but it was me who made the choice. It was I who made the choice. Right? So the environments, we are not saying this movie, we don't want to blame the movie, but if a child grows up in an environment like this, watching this movie, with what scene could have contributed to IB? What song could have contributed to RB? And I want each member in your group should focus at least one point जो IB RB से related हो. So एक section होना चाहिए जिसमें suppose Sushant, Gaurav, Rajiv, Anuj are in the group. So Sushant will say, okay, this movie has this song. It focuses on this idea. So that is how it kind of encourages development of an RB. Gaurav will say, यहाँ पे एक scene है इस movie में. वो scene के through IB develop हो सकती है. Rajiv will then talk about some scene or some dialogue or something.
Ma'am, is it necessary that it will have an IB basically? On the movie that I chose, that we chose as a group, honestly speaking, I don't think that much of
it may not have, but क्या कर सकते हैं एक एंगल अगर उसमें हो सकता है इन द सेंस बिकॉज समटाइम्स क्या होता है मूवी एक फाइनल मैसेज देता है पर वो काफी चीजें दिखाता है लाइफ के एस्पेक्ट्स दिखाता है तो कभी कभी वो आईबी वाले भी दिखाएंगे वो सिचुएशन सो ऐसे पिकअप हो सकता है नहीं मिलता है इन केस एज यू सेड देन जैसे मैंने बोला ना कंपेयर कॉन्ट्रास्ट वो एंगल से चले जाओ तो लेना तो है आपको तो फिर ऐसा कोई मूवी ले लो जो इसके साथ कंपेयर करता है जहां पे ये मूवी भले ये दिखा रहा है बट दूसरा मूवी इसका आईबी दिखा रहा है. It will require some research. That is why I'm saying this is primary research. तो आपको थोड़ा वो उतना मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. अगर नहीं मिला तो mostly मिलना चाहिए. In each movie you should get some IBs at least. नहीं मिला then go on this compare contrast angle. I don't know. It was shown in this movie that it kind of they do it this way, but in the other movie it was shown in the opposite way. That so say for example something as simple as romance. रोमांस इज वन एरिया जहाँ पे आईबीज बहुत बनती है हमारा बॉलीवुड बहुत कंट्रीब्यूट करता है वहां पे तो दे शोड दैट इन दिस मूवी दे शोड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ द रोमांटिक ब्रेकअप एंड ऑल द पर्सन कमिट्स सुसाइड और टेक्स अ वेरी ड्रास्टिक स्टेप तो भले ही वो मूवी पूरा ओवरऑल मैसेज अच्छा ही दे रही है, पर ये पर्टिकुलर सीन, समटाइम्स दैट हैपेंस, नो आई एम नॉट सेइंग मूवी इज अ कल्प्रिट, पर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, कुछ सीन कुछ चीजें मूवी में दिखाते हैं जो लोग बाय देयर चॉइस दे पिक दैट अप.
Yes, ma'am. मतलब part of the movie से we can take it and consider it to be like that only. ये IB है, right?
हाँ जी, ऐसा अगर इसको इंडिविजुअली करें, अगर पूरा मूवी के पर्सपेक्टिव से देखेंगे तो मूवी ओवरऑल आईबी नहीं प्रमोट कर रही है. वो जैसे समथिंग एज सिंपल एज रॉकस्टार. रॉकस्टार इज अ मूवी विच शोज रिबेलियस एटीट्यूड ऑफ द पर्सन, राइट? ओवरऑल वो मूवी लास्ट में दिखाती है कि दिस इज नॉट अ राइट एटीट्यूड टू लिव, बिकॉज एंड में अपना ही सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्शन है वो, है ना. इट इज नॉट समथिंग विच इज एडवाइजेबल इन अ वे ओवरऑल मूवी. पर जो सॉन्ग सुनेगा तो सिर्फ कुछ चीजें, सिलेक्टिव चीजें देखेगा, वो क्या बोलेगा, नहीं ये एटीट्यूड, दिस इज हाउ आई वुड लाइक टू लिव, तो दे कैन पिक अप फ्रॉम देयर, उस पर्सपेक्टिव से. वरना सारी मूवीज में दिखाया, मोस्टली ये दिखाया होता है, जो भी गलत दिखाते हैं उसका अंत दिखाते हैं कि आप अगर ये एटीट्यूड से जीते हो तो अंत में यही होना है. तो ओवरऑल मूवी इज नॉट गिविंग आईवी, बट पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन ऑफ दैट मूवी, सर्टेन सीन्स, मे बी सर्टेन सॉन्ग्स, है ना. सॉन्ग्स की ज्यादातर इसमें होता है ना अपना इंग्लिश में हाइपरबोली होता है, एग्जैजरेशन. इट इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच. क्यों यूज होता है? ताकि हम पोएट्री, प्रोज को ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और इफेक्टिव बनाए, राइट? बट वो रियलिटी में नहीं होता है मैच, उसको हमें उसी तरीके से देखना होता है. तो ये लोग यूज करते हैं आर्ट में, दे यूज दिस एग्जैजरेशन एंड हाइपरबोली, which is an exaggeration of thing, pain or whatever, or even if excitement or happiness. But उसको reality में नहीं मैच होता है, ऐसा कोई समझाने वाला होना चाहिए, वरना people would live in that fairy tale वाला world, ना, fantasy world. किसी को ये गलत जा सकता है मैसेज, ये सोचे हाँ ये दुनिया होती है और मैं तो किसी नर्क में रह रहा हूँ, एक्चुअल दुनिया तो वो है फैंटेसी वाला. ऐसा लोगों के बच्चे के दिमाग में आ सकता है. Right? Make sense, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, there are two parts of it. One is the secondary research where you're going to tell us about what is this movie is all about, and later part is analysis, your own primary analysis, because ये आपको कहीं मिलेगा नहीं. IBRB से मूवी का एनालिसिस किया होगा किसी ने, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा, कहीं पे गूगल पे नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये आपका एकदम ओरिजिनल काम होगा, all of you. Yes, प्रार्थना.
मैम बाय एनी चांस आप इसका स्ट्रक्चर आप देने वाले हो, लाइक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर, ताकि हम फॉर्मेटेड रहे?
नहीं, स्ट्रक्चर आई वुड वांट कि आप अपने हिसाब से डिसाइड करो. आई जस्ट वांट इन 2 मेजर पार्ट्स कि ये आपका सेकेंडरी रिसर्च होना चाहिए. यू डिसाइड हाउ मच यू वांट टू पुट इन द सेकेंडरी रिसर्च, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू वांट टू गेट इनटू डिटेल. सो दैट आल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू सी हाउ यू आर गोइंग इनटू इट. ठीक है, बट
some maximum limit or something?
No maximum limit, but your presentation would be 15 minutes as a group. And your analysis part should be more than your secondary research. Secondary research can be 25%, but your primary research, your analysis has to be 75%.
Ma'am, deadline?
Deadline, हाँ, time आपको मैं बताती हूँ next week. I will tell you the date on which we will have presentation. Next week I will tell you that date. ठीक है ना? Okay. Any further questions? No, right?
Presentation time is 50 minutes or 15 minutes?
15.
Ma'am, I think so we have 8 members in the group, so I don't think so we'll be able to do it.
15. I can make it 20.
Okay, ma'am.
20, 25. तो 15 so 25 का range रखते हैं. Yes, I want an elaborate presentation, and that's a good point, Sudhanshu, because I want everybody to spend good time here. So equally सबका divide होना चाहिए और सब लोग बोलना चाहिए अच्छा खासा. So
ideally how many people in the group?
Group आप लोगों ने 8 to 9 रखा है ना? You already done the groupings ना? You've got
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
9 people are there in the group, Pratna, right? है ना? So ये आपका 15 to 25 minutes. I'll give you 25 minutes maximum अगर किसी ग्रुप को ज्यादा लगता है, पर मिनिमम 15 तो चाहिए ही. ठीक है, 15 के पहले नहीं होना चाहिए खत्म. Okay, and stay on camera everybody. Sudhanshu, Abhinash. Okay. Any further questions on this? No? Okay, so let's move on to, yes, anybody? Somebody was saying?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sushant is making the list, huh? तो आप लोग सब camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now another type of interesting exercise we are going to do is called peer interviews. Okay, so you're going to do interviews in class now. It's like a typical formal interview. So I will need a pair all the time. So I will select people. So say Anshika and Abhinash. Okay, so Anshika will be, say, in the first round, Anshika will be interviewee. And Abhinash and I, so there is a panel. Abhinash and I, we both are interviewers. I will ask one question, Abhinash will ask one question to Anshika. Okay. And Anshika will answer whatever she feels like at that point of time. And after a few interviews, we will do a kind of a discussion and we'll see a question में ये अलग से क्या कर सकते हैं, ये अच्छा था, ये ऐसे change कर सकते हैं. We'll discuss that. It's supposed to be a healthy discussion around our interview performance. But we don't want to again see when we have already done SWOT and all of you have spoken about yourself. So we don't want to start with that tell me about yourself. Okay. We would like to put some different questions other than. You have to assume कि tell me about yourself हो चुका है. और SWOT भी आपका हो चुका है. तो strength नहीं, हाँ, weakness आप पूछ सकते हो. You can ask weakness, but not strength. Strength का हमने already किया हुआ है class में. Everybody has spoken about this strengths. But you can ask something like ये situation में, give them a situation and you can ask them, okay, so why do you think you will be a good person to handle this situation? What are the skills you have? That way you can ask a question to anybody when your chance comes. Okay, sounds good. We will do first one, so you will understand how does it go. Okay, and I'm giving you one link. You can also refer other links also for questions. So what kind of different questions you can ask, and we don't want to repeat questions. So अगर Anshika Abhinash के round में कुछ एक question आ गया, so then don't ask the same question when your chance comes. Okay, is that okay? Everybody understands what I'm saying? Any doubts on this?
Yes, ma'am.
No, right?
No.
तो ठीक है, Anshika and Abhinash, we'll start with you only. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
And I will say on camera, Abhinash, and on
Yeah, just a second, ma'am.
yeah, and on this thing, no, quick force, I'm writing the names. So Anshika and Abhinash. So likewise, just check your name. If you've already done it, then your name should reflect here. I'll keep adding it. Okay. So, and I need somebody to keep time. So Akhil, can you keep time for some time, and then I'll give that responsibility to somebody else.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
3 minutes में आपने बोलना है कि टाइम हो गया. You don't have to put in chat. आपको unmute करके disturb करना है, interrupt करना है. 3 मिनट हो गया. फिर अगर वो बीच में रहा ना flow में, तो मैं आपको 1 मिनट grace दे दूंगी. 1 मिनट में we have to wrap up.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Akhil. So Anshika, Abhinash, I will ask question first, and then you ask. Okay, in this round.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next round we will do other way round. Okay. So Anshika, tell me what kind of people you don't like to communicate with.
The people I don't like to communicate with is the people who talk too much without knowledge of anything. They just keep blabbering around and they don't mean anything. They just want to speak and go against, and so they answer things. So these are the people I don't like.
Okay. Abhinash, over to you.
Yeah. What is your greatest weakness, Anshika?
I don't have a greatest weakness, but I have a normal weakness. So it's as I told earlier too, that I take up a lot of work and I have a habit of multitasking, and that keeps me up. And because there are several tasks, so I'm always working on it. So I have to reduce the number of tasks so to be organized more.
Okay.
So yeah, so are you telling us that if you give you so too much tasks at once, you will do it later
I
or what?
can't hear you clearly, please.
Yeah, just a second. So are you telling us that if we give you too much tasks at once, will you able to do it like in the given time or will you take extra time?
No, I'm not telling that I'm procrastinating anything. It's just that I take up lot of tasks, but I complete it on time, and that's the thing I have to reduce so that I do not take much pressure on myself.
Okay, fair enough. Anshika, one last question. You said that you don't like people who kind of speak a lot when they don't know about the subject, right? So what if suppose tomorrow you're working in our organization and in your team there are half of the people they have this kind of an characteristic. So how will you manage?
The thing is, there are people in your life that we have to deal with. We don't have an option, so I'll just treat it like yes, I have to deal with them, and it's okay. You don't have to be with that person 24/7 for some kind. And talking about that, my strength is patience. So yes, I can use my strength there.
Okay, but I'm just scared because if I recruit you and then something like this happens and then you may enter conflict.
I don't have a very angry way of reacting on things. I won't show them that I am having a problem with them. It's just that you asked me that what people I don't like. I will have a perception about that they won't even know. So that's it.
Okay, fair enough. Akhil, how much time do we have?
6 seconds.
Okay, so I think we are done. Okay, good job, Anshika and Abhinav. Good that you started off with this, and it was good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Question,
Thank you.
whereas Anshika, you answered well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now role reversal. So Abhinav, you are the interviewee now. Anshika, you go first now, and then I'll go.
Okay, ma'am. Just a second. So, Avinash, you can tell me that what is the biggest mistake, and when you made that mistake, how did you improve that thing?
Yes, the biggest mistake of mine would be I was once caught in a scam, like in an online scam. So it was like I wouldn't want to explain it, but the thing I learned from that scam is never to trust someone who is offering anything for free online, and that's about it.
Okay. Okay, Abhinash, my question is that so suppose you start working with us and in the team, so it's a team of say 10 people, 2 people they have conflict with each other and they don't like to kind of talk to each other and they always get into arguments and all. So how will you are part of that 10-member team, what will you do in that situation?
Yes, first I would like both of them to sit down with me and I would ask each one of them that what the other person dislikes about themselves. Then I will list those down and then I will try to talk to them like that if they can adjust these things so that the other person can other person can help they both can help each other so that way, and if they agree then that will be good, or if they don't then I guess will have to work a little bit extra, then that will work I guess.
Okay. Hope enough. Suppose it doesn't work, like as you said, it didn't work, but what their conflict is affecting the work that you as a team are doing together. So how will you handle it? Because you can't just ignore it.
No, absolutely we can't. So like what I talked about, we will all three of us sit down and we'll have a small talk. No aggression, nothing, just talk like what they both dislike about each other. And I'm pretty sure after they will talk nicely, like calmly, they will come up with a solution.
Okay. Okay. I think Akhil, we are done with the time, or we have
20 seconds, ma'am.
20 seconds. I think that is good. So we can end here. Anshika, you want to ask something?
Just a question. Avinash, if you would have a problem with your own performance, what would you do?
Sorry, can you come again?
If you have a problem with your own performance, what would you do?
Yeah, I would like to reflect on my problems and I would like to improve them so that it doesn't get in the way of my work and it doesn't harm the company.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Fair
you.
enough. Good job, both of you. Really, it was nicely done. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Give them a big hand.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Anuj and Nisha. Nisha, you would be the interviewee first, and Anuj, you will be the interviewer now first, okay? And Akhil, please keep the timer. So, my question to you, Nisha, what are the 3 characteristics that you expect in your co-worker?
Okay, so the first one is I want him to be a good coordinator kind of person. Like he should be able to coordinate with me in any sort of circumstances instead of getting impatient or losing his temper. And the second thing is a hardworking person, because I believe that only having technical knowledge is not much, and he should be a hard worker to do well in the company along with me. And the third thing is a patient person. He should be patient so that we can work efficiently, and he shouldn't just run up on things, and just have some patience to do sort of work. Yeah.
Okay. Do you yourself possess all these characteristics, Nisha?
I am a patient person, I'm a hardworking person, but when it comes to coordination, of course, it depends on the other person also. But yeah, I do have the other 2 characteristics.
Okay, great. Anuj, over to you.
So my question to Nisha is, what do you want to achieve in the next 5 years?
Okay, so in the next 5 years, I of course see myself working in a good corporate and married, of course. And I love to travel. I have a passion for it, so I might be traveling countries or doing something in that sort also. Yeah, that's the 5 years plan.
Okay. And will you be with us in next 5 years?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Sure, I'll stay in touch with all of you.
So I know I'm asking as an interviewer of the company. So will you stay with us with our company?
Yes, sure.
So suppose if you get a better job with better salary, will you switch over in next 5 years? How do I kind of look at you in terms of your loyalty to us?
Yes, so that basically depends upon the growth aspects. First of all, the current company is offering me, and as compared to the new company. So if I get a good growth prospect somewhere else, I would like to switch for my professional career growth, or else I would love to be with the company I'm working with.
Okay. Akhil, are we done with the time?
Yeah, we have 10 seconds.
Yeah. Okay. Well done, Nisha. Anuj, good question. That's a very typical question normally they ask. Okay. Now role reversal. Nisha, you go first.
Okay. Okay, Anuj, tell me the kind of people you are not comfortable with, or you think that you are not able to work with those kind of people.
Okay, so I am not very comfortable with extrovert kind of people, because I am myself being an introvert. I'm not very open up to extrovert people. And second, the people who are indisciplined, who are not able to work properly or not achieve target properly.
Okay.
Okay. So suppose if you're put on a team where you need to work in pairs, and the person you're paired with is an extroverted person. So how will you achieve the task then?
So I do my part of work. Yeah, not interact with with him or
You need to interact with him and do it collectively as a team. How will you manage that? Because you said you are not comfortable with somebody who's extroverted, right?
right.
Then
So I will do only that thing which assigned to me.
okay, but that what is assigned to you is something that you both need to do together.
I'll work with the other person.
Okay. Any example comes to your mind where you have like you are not comfortable, but still you manage to achieve some task in your personal life? Can you give an example?
Not really. I don't have any.
Okay. And you said people who are indisciplined.
Yes.
You don't like them also, right? Okay. Fine. So tell me, what are the benefits of following discipline in life?
Being disciplined is being disciplined is kind of an art. You have to do things that you like and what your ethically is good according to you.
Okay. Fair enough. Akhil, time?
You have 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. Same question to you, Anuj. Where do you see yourself? Not same exactly. Where do you see yourself 10 years down the line?
In the same company, but more financially stable and mentally stable.
And more financially stable and mentally stable.
Yes, ma'am.
What would bring that stability?
To work more and.
So you think you mean to say more financial stability brings more mental stability?
Not ma'am. Just two are separate things.
Okay. Okay. So what will bring?
Ma'am, time is up.
Time is up. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Great. Good job, Nisha and Anuj. Okay. Audience, please pay attention because after a few rounds, I'm going to come to you and ask you. Okay, Nisha ने क्या बोला था, Anuj ने क्या बोला था? I'm going to ask you. So stay alert.
मैम इतना याद नहीं रहता है.
हाँ, याद रखो.
Yes, मैम. बहुत लोगों के इंटरव्यूज है.
बहुत लोगों के इंटरव्यूज है
मैम. कैसे याद रखेंगे मैम?
अरे तो पर याद तो कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा बहुत याद होना चाहिए. जैसे आप अटेंड.
अब अनुज का याद रहेगा कि डिसिप्लिन वाला बोला था उसने.
हाँ, नहीं सबका याद रहेगा. देखो आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो. यहीं पे रहो, आपको कैमरा पे तो अपने आप याद हो रहेगा. सुधांशु एंड धर्मित, चलो अभी आप दोनों आ जाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dharmit, my question.
Yes,
first of all, Dharmit is the interviewee. Sudhanshu, aap interviewer, okay?
Okay.
I'm posing first question to you, Dharmit. Dharmit, tell me how many metro lines are there in Mumbai?
Metro line, as of now, one, ma'am.
How many are there in the entire metro project? They're supposed to function.
No, I'm not aware of that. I'm not aware of that. I'm not sure of that.
Okay. Do you know how many states are there in our India?
28 states, ma'am. 28 states.
29.
29. The Telangana was added recently, yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Next, tell me. So, suppose you are, you've already been recruited and you're working in our team. Team is just 3 people, and one of them is very experienced, and the other 2, you and the other person, they are not very experienced. Okay. So, what do you think are the challenges that you may face in this working in this team?
Ma'am, the challenge is that the experience helps you to smooth out the all the daily activities. So as a fresher or someone who is not so experienced, so he have that close perspective about his work. So we have to make sure that we have to train him a little bit. So in that case, what happens, it's not about the efficiency of that person, but the efficiency of the experienced person also get hampered out. Second thing, for small tasks.
I am asking you that you are out of 3 people, you are one of them. You are not experienced. The other person is experienced. So and two of you are not experienced. Dharmit and the other person, you two are not, and somebody else is more experienced. So in that scenario, what challenges you, Dharmit, will face?
Okay. In that case, ma'am, the experienced people will be more faster than me. So it won't be easy for me to cope up the things. So the adaptation will be the most important challenge I would be facing. And of course, the skills I have to improve that. So that was the main challenges.
Okay. So Danshu, over to you.
So, Dharmit, according to you, for an organization's growth, what's the most important thing? Like a good leader should be the main priority, or good followers should be the main priority?
I believe the great leader would be the priority.
So don't you think for the followers who's going to follow the leader is important?
Sorry, can you repeat?
So do you think that the followers are not important as much as leaders?
I said that what if in the priority list, it would be the leader itself, because if the leader is not going to give you the right direction, then the followers are just
Time
like,
is up. Time is up.
1 minute
Yeah.
to conclude, Dharmit.
Yeah, ma'am. I believe that the leader is the important because he gives you the right path to the success, because he has everything what he has to be possessed. So the followers are the one, even if sometimes they follow you blindly, still they would be on the right path. So that's why the leader plays the more important role comparative to the followers.
Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Thank you. Dharmit and Sudhanshu, now your role reversal happens. Okay. Dharmit, you go first.
Okay, Sudhanshu, suppose there is a job of something like you in a C club. So your seniors ask you to maintain a communication between the three departments, like marketing department, sales department, and the business development department. So how are you going to set up the communication channel between these three departments to integrate your work activities?
Okay, so I'm from which department?
You are just a management level employee. You have to coordinate these three departments. So how you are going to maintain the coordination and communication channel between these three departments?
Firstly, on the technical point of view, I would set up a Slack system so we can exchange information betterly, and I'll also appoint a manager from all the three departments that will accumulate the data from the three departments and can communicate easily without any much of hiccup.
Okay. Since you mentioned about the data, I would like to give you one more scenario. Suppose there is one junior manager and one senior manager, and your junior manager asks you to work on a data, and you work on that data, and after that your senior manager comes in a situation and he asks for the data. So in this case, you will directly hand over that data to the senior manager, or you will just take the permission of the junior manager and give the reason for the same?
I'll obviously ask the junior manager first, but if senior manager put force on me, then I'll obviously give him the data.
Do you think this is ethical?
Yes, it's quite ethical because he is senior manager for some reason. Now, he's not some.
Okay. Yeah. He's at the point of authority. I got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Sudhanshu, my question is, what would have what would have you liked me to ask you today? A question that you would have loved to answer.
Ma'am, I would have asked how people's personality creates a working environment.
Okay, so I'm asking you that question. How do people's personalities create a working environment?
Ma'am, according to me, people who are friendlier and who are more helpful tends to work greatly in a team. But people who are different, who don't tend to be integrated with others, tend to be more outside, and they don't work greatly as a team.
Ma'am,
It will not.
Time is up.
Okay, time is up. Thank you, Akhil. Okay, so friendly, you said people who are friendly and interact with each other. Okay, fair enough, Sudhanshu. Thank you. This was also good. Both of you, Dharmit and Sudhanshu. We'll take one more pair and then we'll discuss. I'll ask questions to the audience. Huh? So Prarthna and Sudhanshu and all, मैं बहुत ज्यादा लोगों को बात नहीं पूछने वाली हूँ. आपको पांच पेयर के बाद ही पूछूंगी, ठीक है? Okay, Vihang and Saili. Okay, Saili, you are the interviewee first. Vihang, you are the interviewer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you are, say, Saili, suppose after 2 to 3 years, you are offered the position of a team lead, and now you're leading a team of, say, 4 people. Okay. One of your team members seems to be disengaged.
Okay.
Not very much motivated. They just not bringing their 100% to work. So how will you ensure that she gets motivated?
Firstly, as a team leader, I would try to know the reason for what the reason is why he's feeling demotivated. Is it because of some personal reasons? Is it because of the environment in the organization? Is it because somebody else is putting some other pressures, in a way of sexual harassment or anything? So I would try to first know the reason, have a conversation with that person. And accordingly, depending on the situation, depending on the resources that I have with me to help the person, I would try to provide whatever assistance is possible from my end at that position.
Okay. Okay. So suppose they don't have any issue as such, there is no problem, but they're just disengaged. You realize that there is no problem like what you mentioned, but still they're disengaged. What will you do?
So I would try to bring out more team activities that can help the person to open up. There could be an issue that the person is genuinely introvert. So there could be activities where you'd actually, help the person to overcome all the shyness and come up as a new personality, probably. If that could help the person. And other thing, I believe, I think some team activities would work.
Okay. Vihang, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
You are.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Saili, tell me something about yourself that is not written in your resume.
Okay, so that is not written in my resume. Okay, so I am a little stubborn, if I can start with. That's one of my weaknesses. So that is something which I've not mentioned in my resume. But when I want a particular thing to happen, I aim for it to happen. I don't expect others to walk that way. But for me, I keep it a little strict. And also, I'm a little impatient, I would say. And that, I think, comes out of my stubbornness. Apart from that, I am persistent. So that is my strength. And I don't give up on tasks very easily. I keep pushing myself to actually achieve it. And so it's only after a certain time that I actually think of, okay, this is not happening. So I might rather give it a break and then go back to it after a while. But it's still on my mind. So this is something I've not mentioned on my resume, but yes.
Time is up.
Time is also up and perfect. You both kind of, we did it in 3 minutes exactly. Awesome. Thank you, Akhila, for keeping time. Okay. And now the role reversal. So Saili, you go first.
Okay, Vihang, if you have a problem with your own performance, what would you do?
Okay, so if I have a problem with my own performance on personal level, the way I have analyzed myself, I have clearly observed that I don't have this let go attitude. So just in case if I find there is some problem with my own performance, I'll definitely strive hard and I'll definitely try to resolve that issue in any case.
Okay.
And I'll definitely overcome. I'm pretty confident about that.
But what do you do to overcome it? What would be the steps?
I try to get to the root of the problem, like where it is emerging from. So, and that's how I choose my path, like how to deal with it, how to combat the problem. Root cause is like the very beginning, to how I solve my problems.
Okay. Okay. Vihang, my question is, so actually, used your leadership skills in your personal life. not in your college or studies or anything, but in your personal life, where you showcase leadership skills?
Leadership skills. So in my personal life, whenever there is any decision which needs to be taken in family, even if we take like small things, if we have to travel somewhere, and if my grandparents are with me, or if there's anything else which needs to be done and which needs a very proper attention, and if there are people who are again capable but they are hands full, so I'll definitely take the lead and I do whatever it takes. Let it be any case, yeah.
Okay. Same question to you. One thing about you which is not written in your resume.
Okay, so the one reason is like the one thing which I have not written in my resume is I have some temper issues, and it gets me very it's really difficult for me to take control on my anger. So that's the only thing.
Okay, fair enough. This was also a good round. Akhil, कितना time हो गया?
30 seconds है अभी तक.
30 seconds है अभी. Okay. Sally, you want to ask anything?
I think I'll go with one question. How do you feel about repetitive work? Because sometimes it can actually bore a person to a certain level if you continue to do it for a week.
I get extremely bored by doing repetitive work. I hate like when it gets monotonous and everything. I start losing interest in that. Then I start doing work just for the sake of completing it.
But in this attitude, if there's repetitive work in the office, how are you going to deal
my
with
performance? Of course, I do it, but then I lose interest. I'm answering this on my personal level. That how
Time is up.
But the production would be affected, no?
No, it will never get affected. That is on.
It is that I mean, we feel scared to recruit you because a lot of day-to-day work at office is repetitive work. So then you will get bored and you will not do our work well.
Okay, I take my words back.
Okay, fine. So basically, see, these are the few questions that we have tried, and before we move ahead, let's discuss. Okay, let's discuss that. If you have any inputs, anybody in the audience has, we'll start with the last LIFO first, last in, first out. So Vihang said that मुझे repetitive work बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. So how would you? What are your thoughts? Anybody else? इतना direct बोल देना चाहिए. Sudhanshu, yes.
Ma'am, it should not be spoken directly. If you don't like some repetitive work, you should tend to focus on the things that you like. Because if you say something like I don't like repetitive work,
but direct पूछा ना उन्होंने कि repetitive work पसंद.
He shouldn't have said that I don't like, because then the organization surely will not appoint him as his employee, because every organization has some if I'm going to be a business analyst profile, I have to do the same work again. It's a repetitive work now.
Yes.
You can't be given every day new work.
That is true. I agree with you. Anybody else has any inputs?
Abhinav? Yeah, ma'am. We can portray the answer like in terms of repetitive work. We can say like we would like to do newer things more. We like to explore newer things. And another one would be like we can say like I don't want to do the same task again and again. I want to finish it without any mistakes, so I don't want to repeat it again.
No, that second point is not a very relevant point, but the first point, yes, totally agree with you.
He could have said that he could find motivation or find ways to do the task.
Yeah. So yeah. He definitely, see, what you can club here is Vihang, because see, black and white answers normally nahi dena hai apan ko. So basically, yes, I really get thrilled with doing new things and creative things. That's one area of my interest. But at the same time, I totally understand the importance of repetition and repetitive tasks. Repetitive tasks or repeating things bring in the perfection or bringing the expertise or the betterment in anything. So I totally
want to say, like, we always have to sugarcoat things, and interviewers are never going to appreciate the brutal honesty here.
Yeah. So see, basically, yes, you're right. See, diplomacy is what we use, because I'll tell you for the very simple reason. Interviewer को आप कितनी बार मिले हो पहले? Is the person whom you know?
No.
The first time you're meeting that person, उसके साथ can you be very open when you interact with that person further, job मिल जाता है, and you're being with that person for some time, then you can be open and honest about what you are, who you are, what are your preferences. Definitely that way also it works. Professional relationships can happen that way also and become very strong later, not at the interview stage. At this stage, you don't even know that person. You don't know how he or she will use that information, how they will kind of evaluate you on this basis. That is the fact, isn't it?
Yes,
That person is a stranger for us. हमारे थोड़ी वो काउंसलर या टीचर या पेरेंट्स या कोई रिलेटिव है, पहचान वाले तो नहीं है ना वो हमारे.
Yes.
तो दैट पर्सन को उस लेवल पे उनको कंसिडर करना है. तो यू डेफिनेटली, हम जो भी स्ट्रेंजर है जिनको पहली बार मिल रहे हैं, वी यूज डिप्लोमेसी. यू एग्री विद मी और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am. Totally.
कोई रिलेशनशिप को स्टार्ट करना है जब आप सामने वाले को जानते नहीं हो, तो इट स्टार्ट्स विद डिप्लोमेसी, isn't it? So that is the reason why we sugarcoat or whatever you say, the diplomacy हम use करते हैं, because honesty is something which should come where trust is there. Say I'm your mentor, I'm your teacher, I've been with you for good time, और फिर आप मेरे को openly बोलो मेरा ये this is what I like and I don't like, that is where it will be respected and valued. किसी नए इंसान को जिसको पता नहीं तुमने बैकग्राउंड क्या है, किसके साथ क्या हुआ है, वो तो जस्ट बिकॉज वो पोजीशन पे है तुम्हारे साथ इंटरव्यू ले रहा है, उस पोजीशन के वर्च्यू पे आप यू वांट टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद हिम एंड टेल हिम एवरीथिंग, हिम और हर, isn't it? Here is the purpose why we are interacting with him, because I want that job and this is the start of my career, that's it. And that person is in the position to take the interview, doesn't make him better person than me. They and we are both are at the same level. So wo, and many times it will so happen कि interviewer ना, this happened recently also because अभी pandemic में क्या था, बहुत लोगों को जो interview ले रहे थे, they were also stressed, बहुत सारा काम कर रहे थे, parallelly बोल दिया इतने लोगों का interview ले लो online, parallelly उनका sales call सब कुछ चलता था. So interviewers have been not very good in their behavior, doesn't define you at all. No, so they will be like that. They will ask you difficult questions. They'll bring down their entire stress on you. They will ask you very questions. See what I asked, how many metro lines in उधर पूछा था ना मैंने उसको, धर्मित को. Are you supposed to know that? No. Nobody is supposed to know all the factual details. वो भी शायद interviewer को भी, मुझे भी नहीं पता है. I know basically because I teach project management, so that is why Reliance का सबका मैंने वो मुझे पता है, but nobody else will normally know कि कितना lines है, कितना phases है. पर वो क्यों पूछते हैं आपको कि आप कैसे react करते हो उस पे? How are you confidently saying? या आप डर जाते हो कि हाँ मुझे नहीं पता है तो मैं तो बहुत मतलब दुखी हो गया. So Dharmit handled it well. He said, yeah, I am not very sure on that. Of course, you may be not very sure of so many things. You should confidently accept it, politely, humbly, still confidently, assertively. है ना? Okay, so please remember that Vihang, अपने को honest कहाँ होने का है? जहाँ पे trust हो, जहाँ पे convenience है, comfort level है. यहाँ पे we have to be diplomatic. Okay. Similarly, for you, Saili, also, when or somebody else also, जब आपको ये पूछा गया ना, that one thing on my resume, Vihang, you also. That doesn't mean it has to be negative or weakness of yours only, no? अपने को क्यों weakness बताना है? When you I'm a solo traveler and last trip that I did was to North India. ये भी तो है ना जो आप resume में नहीं लिखोगे.
Right. That's the first thing that actually clicked on me.
बताने की नहीं. Again, I'm saying you are आप counselor से नहीं बात कर रहे हो या आप teacher से नहीं बात कर रहे आपके कि वहां उनको weakness क्यों अपनी बता देनी है. Weakness जब specifically पूछी जाती है उसको भी answer करने का तरीका है. We are not here to reveal our real weaknesses of personality. किसके सामने बात कर रहे हो आप? Counselor से थोड़ी बात कर रहे हो, जहाँ पे आपको डॉक्टर के पास थोड़ी बात कर रहे हो, लॉयर के पास थोड़ी बात कर रहे हो. You're talking to just an interviewer. So remember that. ना तो weakness सामने से direct response में नहीं आना चाहिए. Even when I ask you tell me about yourself, वहाँ पे भी direct strength मेरा ये है, मेरा weakness है नहीं बोलना है. Strength बताओ, weakness नहीं. पूछा जाता है तब हम बताते हैं. Yes, that is another thing. हम उसकी बात करेंगे बाद में. And something about you which is not in your resume. You can always have a lot of things which you have not put on resume. That I know this particular language. Maybe you have not put it in your language is known, but I know it not. I don't know it very fluently, but I know it like tuta futa, like French or something. So I know it. So that's something which will make the environment also light. That I can speak a few words in this language, but I don't know it fluently, so I've not put it in my resume. Or I can cook this particular dish very well. These kind of things you don't put in your resume.
Right.
But that can bring a very good environment change and light kar dega environment ko. With a smile on your face, say that. ठीक है ना? So weakness को please अपने अंदर रखो. ठीक है? Weakness को both of you, Saili and Vihang ने भी कुछ ऐसा ही बोला था क्या? Temper issues. Temper issues again something. It is not something that even पूछा जाए तभी भी मत बताओ कि what is your weakness? I have temper issues. No, बाबा आप you are just speaking to an interviewer. Remember, temper issues is a very heavy word. You getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Both as I told you, आपको ये you have to have diplomacy for the simple reason that we are not talking to a friend or somebody who knows us well. उसका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, उसने किसके के साथ क्या क्या हुआ है, आगे जाके कौन सी कंपनी में वो जॉब करेगा, कहाँ छोड़ेगा, आपको कहाँ पता है वो, उस पे इतना सारा ट्रस्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody else, any inputs about any question that anybody else can kind of you noticed or you observed from the audience? Just show your presence. क्या आप थे क्लास में?
The question that we have asked, something which is not there on your resume, that it's a very interesting question if we make it that way.
Right. Very interesting question. Very good question actually, Vihang. Yes, and बहुत लोगों ने पूछा भी है recently. और उसका अच्छे से आंसर सोच के रखो, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया ना, ऐसा कुछ बना के देखो, सोच के रखो आपकी लाइफ में कि आपने क्या ऐसा किया हुआ है which is not putting formally on a resume. नहीं रख सकते, पर I play some instrument. अगर आपने उसको नहीं रखा हुआ है तो वो भी रख सकते हो. Sing well, or you have participated in something.
So, ma'am, hobbies is the best option, best answer to this question. Is it so that you can even steer the conversation towards another topic?
Yeah.
Or if you can strike a conversation using this question, find something, observe what kind of bags is that person wearing, what kind of brands is that person wearing. Just try to relate to that person. The conversation strikes that point in your
idea. Yes. Something जो instantly if you can figure out वो भी अच्छा है, पर हाँ उसको ऐसा करो कि फिर उसके आगे बोलने को अपने पास है. फिर something like hobbies में normally people ask what is your hobby and then say I like to read books. फिर second question आता है last book कौन सा read किया, कौन आपका favorite author है, कितने authors का book पढ़ा है आपने, फिर वो सब question पीछे से आता है. तो जो भी बोलते हो genuine होना चाहिए. Hobby में no, this is other question I'm saying. कभी hobbies का question आता है ना, तो reading books is something बहुत लोग बोल देते हैं ऐसे. बट रिमेम्बर एक क्वेश्चन बोलोगे, आंसर बताओगे, उस पे से
मैम. लेकिन मोस्टली आई थिंक सो जो आंसर करते हैं तो हम लोग क्लोज एंडेड आंसर भी करेंगे तो वो भी ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा ना, ताकि एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस ना आए उस पे.
अगर आप कुछ ऐसा बोलो ना कि एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस लाने हैं अपन को उस पे, सी अपने को चाहते हैं कि जो अपने को जब भी आंसर करने का मौका मिलता है, यूज दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू गिव देम सम फूड फॉर मोर क्वेश्चंस, जो आपको कंफर्टेबल है तो उसको यूज करो ना. इंस्टेड ऑफ क्लोज एंडेड में आंसर करोगे तो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है. आंसर हमेशा 2-3 लाइन होना चाहिए, unless and until it is a yes or no question कि you want tea coffee. लेकिन हॉबीज में no, it should not be close ended, it should not be one word question answer, it should be a couple of lines.
I have a question.
There was this.
Go ahead, Prathana, go ahead.
No, please, Kylie. I always say.
So if, for example, I have a hobby of editing, I mean, but it's not something that I do on daily basis, or I don't even have a page for it. So
Hobby
if the interview,
what did you say?
Editing,
copy editing.
Yes. No, ma'am, photos or videos or whatever, make short videos and edit. But I don't have I don't have an Instagram page, or I don't upload it anywhere. And I'm not a blogger basically. If a interviewer asks you that if this is your hobby and you don't have a page So in that situation, what to do? Because I genuinely like
So
editing.
yeah, so that's on cards. I am really thinking of doing it, or you can say this is a newfound love, something that I have recently found, or I've not got enough time. I definitely want to do that, but I have not found enough time. Something which sounds genuine.
Or you can frame it in a different way, saying that since this is my hobby, I don't want to, have it as a page, but I do it for my friends and family.
But it's
Wherever they
often
require from-
it's often understood that if you have a hobby, you are required to pursue, but at a certain level, maybe not every day, but you need to have some base to it. It's not your interest. It's more like
like a portfolio, or some portfolio. It exists somewhere. So maybe you can also club it at up till now. What Pratna said, no, that up till now I have just focused it like this way, but putting it on a blog or putting out an Instagram profile is definitely on my cards. But I have not been able to fetch out that much time to kind of work on it and give it that kind of infusion. So then I'm working on it. With that smile on your face, you can say I'm working on it, and I'm going to really achieve a big milestone in that regards also soon. Something like that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I know. Yeah, Pratna, you were also asking something. No,
ma'am, you can continue.
Anybody else? Anything from questions जो मुझे पूछने दो, अभी check करने दो audience. Dhanashri, anything that you remember anybody said? इतने सारे लोगों ने बोला. Nisha.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, Vihang said that he should not have, and then he said that I take my words back. So how to handle that situation?
वो तो उसने इधर class में बोला, I take my words back, right?
If it happens, like we don't say like that I take my words back, but there comes a situation where we realize that we shouldn't have spoke about that. So how to deal with it?
में so नहीं, so उसको फिर उस हिसाब से whatever you have said अपने को उसको पकड़ के रखना है, उसको एकदम से disown नहीं कर सकते. Like one situation which happened earlier in this situation in our practice session is like, first question that I asked to Anshika, that what kind of people you don't like to work with, and then she said I don't like to work with people who are, it was you only, right, Anshika? That people
Yes, ma'am.
who speak a lot and blabber.
Yes,
हाँ, so वो बोल दिया. फिर मैंने आपको क्या पूछा कि भाई अभी आपके पास ऐसे ही लोग आएंगे तो फिर क्या करोगे, है ना? सो तब रियलाइज होता है कि नहीं ये वैसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था तब. तो उसको थोड़ा फिर जैसे इफ यू सी अंशिका ने वो क्वाइट अच्छे से हैंडल किया, तो उसने बोला दैट यस आई डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट in real life when we interact with people they have different characteristics and we all are different, and so when it comes to teamwork, when it comes to working on a particular goal professionally, I deal very maturely in that situation, and I don't let this personal dislike of mine interfere in my work. Okay, ये क्यों बोलना पड़ा? क्योंकि पहले आपने बोल दिया, जबकि ये जो सवाल है उसका आंसर वैसे आना ही नहीं चाहिए. In the very first place, Anshika, we never label people and we never say कि ये क्वेश्चन मैंने बहुत जानबूझ के पूछा था. अगेन जब भी आपको बोला जाता है कैसे लोग नहीं पसंद है, कभी भी उसका आंसर ऐसा लेबल मिल दे के मत बोलो मुझे ऐसे लोग नहीं पसंद है. उसका आंसर हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? that I don't think it that my belief everybody has their positives and negatives.
But बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं हो जाएगा?
मैम बहुत डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर हो गया ये.
So but very एक टाइप का people it's a very label हो जाता है ना. Why do you want to label anybody? Label कि मुझे ऐसे लोग नहीं पसंद है.
But there are like different kind of interviewers. So maybe that interviewer needs an answer. उसको नहीं चाहिए कि आप डिप्लोमेसी दिखाओ उसमें.
अगर ऐसा रियलाइज होता है आपको when you talk, आपको पता चलेगा, तो तब you can be a little off that track. But
then again make it in a way कि last में mention कर दो कि if an opportunity comes up where I have to work with a person like that, I will assure the person that it will.
The problem with that question,
yes.
the problem of the answer to that question lies in the fact जो भी बोलेंगे interview will come back with that same. Let's say I told the interviewer that I'm uncomfortable with XYZ type of person. The interviewer will get back to me saying, okay, so let's say the XYZ person is in your group. Tell me how you handle. The second question will come like this.
So how? No, मैंने आपको जो बोला ना वो डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने ये नहीं बोला कि नहीं मैं सबको एक्सेप्ट करती हूँ, सब अच्छे हैं, मैं ऐसा वाला नहीं. आपने बोलना है कि I understand that everybody has positive and negatives. I do have problem with some people's characteristics. When these kind of, so उसको लेबल मत दो करो कि ऐसे लोग, पर जब ऐसा बिहेवियर होता है ना, तो मुझे थोड़ा तकलीफ होता है. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, उसी वक्त उसके साथ कंटिन्यू करो बिफोर यू गिव देम दैट चांस टू आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन. उसी में कंटिन्यू करो, वहां पे एंड मत करो कि ऐसे लोग कैसे कंटिन्यू करो. These are some characteristics or these are some behaviors that sometimes kind of really do not help me and I don't like them. Having said that, I understand that everybody has positives and negatives. So I have now for so many years, or like I have learned managing relationships, professional relationships with people who have both positives that I like and there are negatives also which I don't like, but I have learned how to manage and work together for a common goal. ऐसे बोलना है अपने को. तो उसको
like you said there is an answer that interviewer is looking for. So this happens with, I think, weakness also, because they don't actually want to know your weakness. They want to know that how are you working on it, right?
Articulating it, yeah. How are you articulating it? How are you working on it? अपने को ऐसा भी नहीं बोलना है कि नहीं मेरे में कोई भी weakness नहीं है, of course, है ना. But अपने को ऐसा भी नहीं बोलना है temper issue, वो थोड़ा extreme हो जाता है. Okay, because that becomes more of an a kind of a trait rather than just a
it becomes a hygiene factor, ma'am, if I must say. Telling the interviewer that I get angry or outburst hota hai, I think that is a hygiene issue.
Yeah, because what you mean to say, आपने ऐसा सोच के नहीं बोला कि मैं like हमेशा गुस्सा हो जाता हूँ. आपने ऐसा सोच के बोला sometimes, कभी-कभी मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है, पर वो एक बार word आ गया तो उनके दिमाग में वो एक seed of thought डाल देगा. So there we have to be a little careful that हम उसका समझ, मतलब थोड़ा सा डिप्लोमेसी यूज करके बोले, कुछ ना कुछ अपना जो एरिया ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट है उस पर हम फोकस करें और हम कैसे उसको इम्प्रूव करें. What Anshika said ना, that is also important. Yeah, so we'll talk about it. वो weakness वाला question is something हम आराम से we will discuss on that. Till now I think 4 pairs we have completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4 pairs have completed. Dharmit, Sudhanshu and last में कौन था? 4 pairs ना?
Vihang and Saili. Vihang and Saili.
Vihang and Saili. Yes. Okay, so I'm putting your names on the quick course. Just check it. If your name is not there, just let me know. Okay. And so we meet again at 3:30 or 3:30 ko we'll continue with more people. Okay? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.